So not only is the Shop app one of the fastest growing shopping portals out there, it also attracts a lot of net new customers. Hey everyone, my name is Aanarav Sareen and I'm one of the founders at P3 Media. At P3, we help our clients grow across different channels. So whether you've got an e-commerce footprint, a retail footprint, or are looking to expand in either of those, we can help you grow across those. In e-commerce, over the last few years, we've seen an emergence of social shopping. So whether that's Meta shops or Facebook shops or Instagram shops, and now TikTok shops, there is a lot of demand because there's a lot of people who use those specific channels. If you go into Google Shopping, you can start seeing the ability to make those purchases right within the search engine itself. However, one of the most exciting and underutilized products has been the Shop app. Now, the Shop app is included with every single Shopify subscription. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to take your products from within Shopify and publish them to the Shopify network in the Shop app. One of the best ways to attract new customers is by going through their advertising channel. Unlike Facebook and Google and Meta and all these other platforms, you are effectively bidding for a cost per acquisition target as well as a ROAS target within the Shop app itself. And it won't spend any amount of money if it doesn't meet those goals. So if it's confident that it's able to deliver those results, you will get charged and you will get a sale out of it. Unlike any of the other platforms where you're just running ads and hoping that people will come and you have to continuously iterate everything, whether it's creative or offer or landing page and a whole bunch of other parameters. So if you haven't already tried out the Shop app, definitely give it a shot. And if you need help setting up your first advertising campaign on the Shop app, please feel free to reach out at p3media.com.